today I'm gonna be whipping up some honey garlic salmon. Well, I started off with squeezing the lemon, trying to get a good squeeze. It was being a little dramatic. Then I mixed salt, pepper, and onion powder. I forgot the Old Bay, so here you see I have the Old Bay. But y'all saw, I bought this, so I learned from that. Next time I'm gonna like double whatever I put in this recipe, but I mean there's nothing wrong with not, you know, over seasoning. I just like my, you know, flavorful. I guess I'm a little unprepared. Next video I better light it. Like I said, figure it out. My first time really like being serious about making a video, so stay tuned. It's gonna get better. Looking good, yes sir. And then down here we got like half a stick of butter. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna let that melt down. Can't go wrong with garlic, man. Starting to look good. Oh, ooey. Gotta throw that honey in there. Oh my. So just added the lemon juice, mix that in, turn the heat down a little bit. And now I'm gonna throw this salmon in here, y'all. Here we go. So good, dude. You know what else I'm gonna do though? I ain't gonna show y'all this. If I don't know how to make these, I need help. Oh shit. Sexy baby. Let's see. Hey, yo. Oh, you know this is looking so good, yo. Oh my goodness. These ones cook up. Cooked. This shit smells crazy, y'all. So it's pretty much done now. Throw it in there. Hey, yo.
Look at it. Ooh, look at good. Look good, buddy. Alright. So what I'm gonna do now is, I see those. Nice little brown crisp, huh? That was good. Alright. So now, I'm gonna throw this in the board. I don't know for how long, but I'm gonna monitor it. Yo, this shit smells so good. I'm gonna take it out. I think we got the desired effect. Just took out the oven line. And this one we got. I'm gonna fade it over here. Already trying to make it look like a little fancy. First love. Show y'all how this. I'll break it in real quick. Play with her. Put a little bit. I missed the piece. It's all good. Boom.